Yeah.
Or if you want it a little bit more darker, we can go a little bit more darker.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be getting rid of Ruby's old nasty tint. This is the old tint and this is like the original. So there wasn't much of a difference there, guys. I was over here writing a fishbowl, you know. I can't be writing like that, guys. So let's go ahead and fix that. We got one down, guys. We need the other side and the back window to go. Alright guys, let's close the doors to see how. Well, I actually forgot to take off that little piece also. That one should be easy. But I mean, it looks like how it looked with the old tint, so not much of a difference. Looks nice, OEM, but not my style. We're gonna go ahead and murder Ruby out with the tint. I'm even thinking about a black rooftop and, you know, the windshield banner tint also. So stay tuned, guys. Here's the spot, guys. Holding up. I've seen it before. Right here, they really take care of you guys. They're removing some old tint that I have. The previous guys that did my tint didn't remove the old tint, so that goes to show that this place will take care of you. And what's your username?
Puma, then underscore the little line right, then
Yeah.
tints.
Got more tint?
Yeah. A little bit more darker. But this is how a 35 ceramic would look like.
Oh, okay. It looks nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Or if you want it a little bit more darker, we can go a little bit more darker.
No, I don't want to get in trouble with the law, you know, like, I don't want to be getting pulled over and stuff, but...
This one look fine.
Yeah, bro, I'll go with that one.
Alright.
I know with like 5% in the back, it's gonna look like darker
Yeah, so
and
it can look
stuff.
darker on the front.
do you guys say? Should I get a SN95 or a New Edge as a daily or as a project? I don't like the tail lights. Keep them OEM. Mint condition though. Wondering what it looks like in the inside. This is what it looks like. It looks so much darker back there. Yeah guys, she's looking really clean. I guess that really completes the look. We went ahead and went with 5% in the back and 35 on the sides. We went full ceramic. If you guys need tint, go ahead and check out Gumma Tints. I'm gonna drop a picture so you guys could follow him. Been waiting a long time for this, guys. She definitely looks meaner, guys. Happy how she looks. I'll catch y'all later, guys.